How you can use Google Authenticator with TikTok. For that, you need two applications onto your device, TikTok and Authenticator of your choice. Since in this video we're gonna use Google Authenticator, I've just downloaded Google Authenticator onto my device, and after that sign in into the Authenticator with your Google account of your choice. So what we need to do is open TikTok. On TikTok, go to your profile. After going to profile, tap on the menu bar and tap on settings and privacy. Here under account, you can see security and permissions. Tap on it and tap on two-step verifications. Since we're not going to use the phone and email and use an authenticator app, tap on authenticator and password and tap on turn on. Here you can see a QR code and a code that is given. Just copy the code and then go to the Google Authenticator app. Here on this app, after going here, you may just tap on the plus icon or you may tap on add a code. I'm gonna set up a code. On account name, I'm gonna type TikTok, and on my key, I'm just gonna paste the code that I received. 213188. After that is done, you can see I copied and pasted my code. After that, you may add your email address or you may also skip the option. I'm gonna skip it, and you need to add your phone number if you want. I'm gonna skip it again, and add to trusted devices. I'm gonna skip this again, and there you go, your two-step verification is on and you have used your Google Authenticator for that. So in this way you can use Google Authenticator with TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.